We're making this video to show how to hook a impeller pump standpipe to an impeller pump power head. People have a few problems. We also wanted to point out some common issues that we have. First off, you'll notice that the end cap comes marked that it's factory set and not to screw it down further. People tend to over tight this end cap and it binds the impeller stack. That can slow your pump quite a bit, and it can also lead to some problems down the road. First off, we'd like to show this coupling, how it's tapered and it looks like it's got a gap for the spider in there, but it really doesn't. So make sure you pry that thing apart about 1/16 of an inch, and then we'll go ahead and, you have to have your set screws loose, but we normally try to put it on the motor first, if you can see this. And the reason we do that is just because the standpipe is lighter and easier to handle. So go ahead and slide your standpipe shaft into the coupling. And this clamp that we're about to put on, you're going to want to make sure you tighten this clamp down before you set your coupling space. What happens is when you tighten the clamp, it tends to mash those two shafts together, and then your space that you thought you had went away. So you're going to need a couple of 7/16 inch wrenches or something to put this together. We're going to go ahead and tighten this thing down to about 25 foot-pounds. How tight it is doesn't really matter to the pumping. It just your motor could rotate on this T if you don't have it tight enough. So we're going to go ahead and tighten one of these coupling pieces to the shaft. Go ahead and snug your set screw down, and then we like to pry the coupling halves apart so that that blue spider has about 1/16 of an inch of wiggle room in there. And then you're going to go ahead and tighten down your other coupling half, and you're done. You can move on to putting your hose on the thing or installing the truck or whatever else you need to do. So thanks for buying our pump, and happy pumping.